Hey, welcome to Meet Hour Help tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to do live streaming on YouTube via Meet Hour of your conference in desktop mode. Note: to use the live stream feature you need to have a working YouTube channel account and be approved for live stream. If you want to know how YouTube live stream works, then please click on the link displayed on your screen. Let us start the guide. Step 1. After you join the meeting, now, go to More Options, click the Live Stream button. A pop-up window will open asking you to enter the stream key of YouTube. Step 2. To get stream key, you need to log in onto YouTube, go to Create button and click on Go Live. Step 3. On the stream page, copy the stream key and come back to the Meet Hour page. Step 4. Now, paste the stream key on Meet Hour and click on the Start Live Stream button. Note: to keep the privacy of our users, we are not storing anything on our Meet Hour servers. We are directly storing the recorded video on your YouTube account. Step 5. You can stop the live stream when the conference completes and automatically video feed will stop from Meet Hour. Later, go to YouTube Studio and end stream. Thanks for watching our tutorial. Enjoy free video conference by Meet Hour. Please subscribe to our channel to stay connected with the latest updates.